Hey, good afternoon, traders. My name is Peter Rate. I'm the founder and owner of Iconic Day Trading. It's a fairly new mentoring chat room day trading website. Used to be a moderator in another room, and I had a lot of traders reaching out to me asking me for help after they were seeing the calls I was making and the success that I had on the majority of the calls that I was making. So I decided that there's a big void out there in the chat room world as far as actually learning the proper way to trade. So I'm a trader by nature. I'm always going to be a trader. I do not have a desire to have a big chat room, but I did start a chat room for a small group of traders that have a passion and a drive to learn how to become a self-sufficient trader. So hence I went off on my own. I am still trading full time, but I do operate iconicdaytrading.com, as you see the website right here. You scroll down, it tells you a little bit about Iconic, a little bit about myself, what we have to offer. Has my Twitter feed on here. It's at pjrate.com is sorry, just at pjrate, and then we have at Iconic Day Trading is my Iconic Day Trading Twitter feed. So everything on here tells us, everything about us as our preferred broker, my contact information, and pretty much our mission statement, and a little bit about my trading methodology. There are a lot of rooms out there, a lot of people out there promising that they will teach you how to trade, when in fact, once they get their money, they're not really about teaching you guys properly how to trade. So that's what I'm doing. I am trying to teach the next generation of traders the proper way to trade. And this video is just my introduction. I want to introduce myself to the trading community, let you know that I am a real trader. In my room, everyone has a microphone, it's live audio, live screen share, fully transparent, no BS. You see my trades, I call them live, I execute step-by-step walkthroughs of why I'm in a trade, what I'm looking for, where my targets are, and why I exited a trade. Everything is as transparent as it can be. So when you got time, go check out my website, iconicdaytrading.com, and if you want some more information, please feel free. You will see a membership application button right here. The membership application is there primarily so I know a little bit about your background, because I'm only accepting traders that have every trader has strengths and weaknesses, and I'm trying to build a circle of traders that complement each other's strengths or complement each other's weaknesses. So where one person is weak, another person is strong. And having the live mic for all of our members, it's a great community. If anyone has a question, it's asked, it's answered live. Someone's in a trade, they want me to take a look at it, they want to know where to get out, where to put their stops. All you have to do is ask. You'll never be muted, and you will learn a lot about the proper trading methodology that I use that's kept me in this game for over 20 years. So that's my website, and what I'd like to do now is go over just a couple trade reviews of examples of what we do in the room. And the chart you see right here is Lulu. It's on a 5-minute chart. I use a 1-minute chart and a 5-minute chart the majority of the time. All these lines, I'm a big technical trader, and I rely heavily on moving averages. Some people say that they're lagging, but they work. Okay, and that's a lot of my trading. That's where I get my signals from, and that's what makes me my money. So on this Lulu trade, you'll see a little bit of a gap down. Okay, had formed a little bit of support right here around 63.50s. As soon as that support broke, and you have this moving average cross with the 9 and 20 right here, this is a perfect area to go in short. Okay, and you'll notice this green line. This is my 9-period moving average. Okay, this stock Lulu rode this 9-period down the whole way, never broke the 9 until about this area, came up, retested the 20. It failed the retest, continued lower. On top of having this nice you got about a 3.5 point move, you had a lot of opportunities to add to the trade. This red line is my 200 period moving average. It breached the 200 moving average. It tried to reclaim it. It failed. That's the area right here where you add to your short. Again, it came down here. It looks like a little bottoming candle. Came up, tested the 9 period moving average. Failed again, added to the short, and ride it down. I got out right here. As soon as that 20 period moving average was breached, that was my stop. Got about 3.5 points out of this trade. It was a fantastic trade that was called out live in the room. Let's see what else we can do. Here's another example of BRLI from last week, I believe. Again, we have a simple moving average cross with the 9 and the 20. What these lines are, green's a 9, yellow is a 20, blue's the 50. And this white line is a VWAP. Very important you have that on your charts. And the red is a 200 period moving average. So the one thing that you'll notice with this chart and with Lulu charts, they are smooth, they are trending, they're not choppy. We in the room do not play the overcrowded stocks. Okay, I don't look to short the tops. I look for trending stocks, join the trend, and make sure that my entries and my exits are as precise as possible. So here we got the moving average cross, which indicates me a change of trend. So I went short here on the 44 break, kind of consolidated here for a couple minutes, came and touched the 9, broke down, consolidated a little bit more, green candle, touched the 9, I added, wrote it down, okay, got a little cautious here around the 200 period moving average. It broke it and came back, but it never breached the 9 period moving average. Once it went through the 200 moving average again, is a great place to add. Ride it down to the bottom, and then once again, as soon as we have this moving average cross with the 9 and the 20, change of direction, that's my stop. So I took this down from like 44, and I got out around 39.30, 39.50, somewhere in that area. Just a beautiful, beautiful chart, beautiful, simple fade. And that's the kind of trades that we take in iconic day trading. Let's do a couple more examples here. Here's a nice chart of Cena, okay? Unfortunately, I did miss the front side of this move. Okay, you could have caught it here above the breakout. You can see this little cup and handle here. This white line going across is the previous day close. That's also a very important indicator for me, as it acts as additional support and resistance at times. So you could have got long here on the moving average cross, and you easily could have got long here on the breakout above the 57. Okay, I was tied up in another trade. I missed this. But what I did catch with really nice size was this stuff up here, the 5880s. It tried 1, 2, 3, came back down, 4, 5. So it tried 5 times to get through the 5880s. So that's the perfect example of getting rejected or getting stuffed. I went in short on top of having, it looks like a double top, triple top. Went in short. I think it got filled at 77, and it wrote it down for almost a point. It tested VWAP, it broke VWAP, and I got covered for a little less than a point. It was just a nice, simple, painless trade. So again, that's just a quick little introduction about myself, about what I do. I'm a trader first. I will always be a trader. It's just time that someone out there brings some more education, some more transparency for the next generation of traders. And I love teaching how I trade. I love trading, period. It is my passion. All of my members have my cell phone number. They can reach out to me anytime they want. The room is filled with great moderators. We make some fantastic calls. And we have a good time doing what we do, all in a professional environment. I'm going to pull up one more chart because the healthcare sector has been pretty hot. This is a beautiful chart, UNH. I think this is from yesterday, the day before. Just totally banked on this chart. I was lucky enough to catch this breakout on this big elephant bar right here. Okay, you can see around 2 o'clock, you had the moving average cross with the 9 and the 20. You see the volume pick up, very important here. Volume picked up. So I got long, I think, it was around 118.25, 118.27, somewhere around there. I caught this right up. And then it started getting very, very, very toppy here. So I know that 121 was an area of resistance. So if you notice, it started putting in some higher lows, which is a sign that, okay, this thing's getting heavy. It might be looking to fade. On top of that, you had the 9 and 20 moving average cross. So this is where I got short. I got short on the 120.50 break, and then I wrote it down to 119. I didn't get to 119.60 fill. I got out probably around 47, between 47 and 119.47 and 119.50. Average was somewhere around there. It was just a beautiful, beautiful trade. Caught the front side. You can see the stuff getting set up, the rejections of the 121s, the lower highs, moving average cross, and just a beautiful fade. Simple, simple trades. So anyone can learn my methods if you have a desire. If you have a desire, you have a passion, I want you in my room. I want to teach you how to properly trade. So again, go to the website, iconicdaytrading.com. Feel free to reach out to me via email, peter@iconicdaytrading.com, and I will do whatever I can to help you guys out. I'll be doing these probably 3-4 times a week, doing some more trade recaps and adding little tidbits of information that I think the new traders would benefit from, and I look forward to it. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.